Hey guys, it's Melissa here with Rooted Home and Garden. Today I'm actually standing next to my orange tree. This is a Washington Navel Orange tree, and I purchased this last spring and got it all potted up, and right here it's next to my back fence, and I love this tree. As you can see, it is full of buds. It's about to bloom, and the smell is going to be amazing once it does, and I'm so excited for that. Number two, this tree is going to give me lots of fruit, and I'm very happy about that. The cool thing about Washington Navels, it's self-pollinating, so you don't need anything to help it actually produce fruit. It will grow fruit every year without any assistance from you, so that's fantastic. Washington Navels grow best in zones 8 to 10, which is perfect for my climate, which is zone 9B. I live in California, and citrus trees love this area. So if you live in a zone 9 or somewhere in California like I do, I really strongly encourage you to actually get this tree. There are so many things you can do. You can plant them in the ground, you can put them in a pot like I have it here. You can put it in, turn it into a topiary, turn it into a huge tree, turn it into just a little mound for compact reasons. You could exfoliate this tree. There's so many things. These trees are so versatile that you can really do anything with them, which is amazing. Now, if you live in an area where it does get cold on a regular basis, suppose 25 degrees or lower, you definitely want to consider putting the citrus tree actually in a pot, because then there you can actually bring it into the house or into a protected area where it will actually receive care and not die. Because what could happen is on a regular 25, and actually it doesn't even take long, it just could take 10 hours in 25-degree weather, and what it could do is actually change the taste of your fruit and make it not taste very good, or it could actually get rid of all the fruit, or even worse, kill the tree. So if you do live in a colder climate, you can still have citrus. It's just you might have to just put it in a pot and bring it indoors during those time periods where it's a little too chilly for the tree. If you have one planted in the ground, if it starts to get that cold, you definitely need to get a blanket, wrap it around it, just add that little comfort. I know it may not look the best, but it definitely will save your tree. I do not live in an area where it actually gets that cold, so I can absolutely plant this in the ground, have no issues, and have this tree for a very, very long time. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope this actually encourages you to go out and get a citrus tree, because if you are like me and you love oranges, you're definitely going to reap the benefits of this. Oh, one thing I did forget to mention is fertilizing. If it's planted in the ground, I usually fertilize my citrus trees twice a year, once in the spring and once in like July when the heat is just, the trees just need a little boost from the heat. Because mine are in a pot, what I end up doing is actually fertilizing this plant once a month, and that just really helps keep the nutrients in the soil so that the trees actually can really benefit from that. What I use is Espoma citrus tone is what I use for fertilizing my trees, and they benefit. So I mean, you can see, as healthy as this is, absolutely, it's a very healthy tree, and this is what I've been using on it once a month in the pot. And again, I do have one more tree outside that's planted into the ground, and I give it to this twice a year, and they do fantastically. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.